early 90s, not far away, a student had something bold to say. His name was Linus, sharp and bright, with lines of code. He changed the night. He dreamt of something fast and free, and no West for all, like air or sea. No price tags, locks, or license fights, just pure control and users' rights. He built a kernel, strong and lean. It ran like magic, fast and clean. He named it Linux, short and neat, a Unix clone with open feet. No shiny ads, no brand parade, yet slowly power users stayed. Developers came from far and wide to join the mission. Side by side, it spread to servers, clouds and more, to mobile phones and data cores. It powers Android, smart TVs too, even rockets that to Mars once flew. It's not just tech, it's how we share, with open hearts and code laid bare. You change the shell or swap the face. In Linux, you control your space. So whether you code or just explore, Linux opens freedom's door. Not owned by one, but run by many. With tools and tweaks, there's more than plenty. So next time someone asks you why, say because with Linux we can fly. No windows closed, no apples bitten, just honest code by passion written. No shiny ads, no brand parade, yet slowly power users stayed.